Today we are doing a Temu unboxing, and yeah, I've had this for I think it's a week now, and I haven't got time to unbox this with you. So we bought a new drill, guys. We bought a new drill. My old drill is giving me a lot of problems, so I had to order this nail drill from Temu. The normal price of the drill is 335 if I'm not mistaken. I will try to insert a picture up so that we can see. But when I put it in my card, it was going for 133 Rand, né? And some other items, and it was on Thursday. I can't remember the date. And the following day, on Friday, when I was about to cash out my card and some few items, the drill was 25 Rand. Can you believe it, guys? 25. I got this nail drill for 25 Rand from Temu. Yeah. So this is our nail drill. This is our nail drill, guys. This is how it looks. It is called, where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? It is called nail polisher. Unlock new horizons for nail art, easily creative, stunning, blah blah blah, new arrival. It doesn't have a name, but you get it in rose gold, you get it in white, or you get it in gold, gray, and rose pink. I got the rose gold. So yeah, and it comes with all this inside, all these drills, and there's others here, but the sticker is on this side. I can't seem to remove it. And the nice thing is that these the back box here, this box tells you what each drill is for, and that is a plus. If you don't know what type of drill to use for which nail or how to use it, this explains everything. It explains everything. It's called intelligent control. Do as you please. Okay, do as I please. But just look at this color, guys. Oh, I'm so happy about this. Let us unbox it. It comes like this. We get a cord. I think this is to charge, yeah. And we also get a manual booklet with a whole lot of languages. So yeah, we have that. And let us unbox it, guys, and see. Okay, it comes. You get 3 boxes in total. You get 3 boxes in total. The first box has stunning is this, guys. This is how it looks. Let me also show it here so that we can see how it looks, if we can see it properly. This is how it looks. Beautiful. And of course this cable, I think that goes in here, if I'm not mistaken. This is how it looks. And I've been looking for a cordless drill for such a long time, guys, because the one that I use, I have to plug it in, and I wasn't feeling it anymore. So this is the holder, this is the charger, the cable. You know, they only give you the cable, they don't give you the head, because we use different types of head each and don't each country. So yeah, and then we also, what? This is what we get. We get these, I think these are polishers if I'm not mistaken, if you're doing just the normal manicure. I don't know, I think so. But I think, because I think they're ceramic, they will work also on acrylic or on polygel. So we get this one and that one. They feel like they are ceramic. And this one and this one, and it's 2, 4, 5 drills. It's 5 drills, and you also get sanding bands. I think they are the same grade. I don't think they are a different grade. Also get sanding bands, and you get also another pack of nail of the heads. Okay, this is how they look. This is how they look. It's 2, 4, you get 6 from these ones. Now for the star of the show, let us unbox our nail drill. I'm so excited. I am so excited, guys. Oh my god. How gorgeous is this? And it is so light. Guys, this is the one that I'm using currently, né? I am using this nail drill. I love it, but it is, I have to put it on the plug. I can't take it out. So this is the one that I'm using currently. This one. This is what I'm using at this moment. So it's giving me hassles, guys. So this is so light. It is so light. This is how it looks. Oh, the rose gold. It looks so beautiful. Let me bring it up here. This is how it looks, guys. Oh, it looks gorgeous. How beautiful is this? And it's lightweight. It is very lightweight. Let's connect this, darling, and see. Let us connect and see. You have to press it. Oh my god, okay. And it doesn't make a lot of noise. Just listen. Okay, it goes up to 32 RPM. It goes up to 32 RPM, guys. Okay. And then this is reverse. I think it writes here, you see reverse. And then when you stop, it says forward. And then here you control your RPM. Let's switch it off. This is how it looks, guys. How beautiful is this? How beautiful is this, guys? I'm telling you, if you go to Temu and then you order stuff and you normally order stuff, they will give you discounts. I never thought that I would get a drill from 300 and something to 25 Rand. I've never thought of that. So yeah, this was a very, very huge deal. It was a very, very, very huge deal. So yeah, and I'm going to enjoy using it. And it also has this, I don't know, we can some more bottling or I guess, but nevertheless, I love this drill. It's beautiful. You just turn it on and off here, and then you can carry it with you like this. No more charging, no more drilling with a drill from the plug. It's such a hassle, guys. So I'm going to enjoy using this. So, and I hope you enjoyed watching. All this you get from the drill. I will try to insert the picture of the original price, guys. I'll try to find it. I will find the price of the original because there's different sellers. I have to check which seller I bought from, and then I will have to make sure, hurry, I remember the previous price after the 325 and yeah, and then it being discounted to 25 Rand. So I'll just try to insert a picture here, and so that you can see how the drills look. I love this drill. I am going to enjoy using it. I can't use it right now because unfortunately I have to go and cook. Hubby is coming back from work very soon. Hope you enjoyed watching this haul, guys, and I will see you again on the next video. Bye. Please do not